This isn't looking very good, guys. Yeah, yeah, the Saron, right? That's why we trade low time frame volatility. Because do you know? Let me get back over here. You know how many people didn't take their fucking profit, right? You know how many people did not take their profit up here, right? And they just kept holding on. If they were in longs, they just kept holding on, holding on, holding on. Who knows when they finally, if they've even got out of their position by now. I've seen people just sit in positions till they lose every dime they made. It is ridiculous. But you know what's going to be happening here soon if people didn't. They're all over leveraged. There's already probably some liquidations. Let's take a peek real quick. 11.4 million just in the last hour. In the last 24 hours, there's been 277 million liquidations, all longs. Right, pretty much all long. So, there you go, man. There you go. Here's my question to YouTube Jimmy that's literally on ramping brand new traders onto these exchanges that offer leverage. These people don't understand leverage. They don't even know what the hell it is. They're just like, oh, I heard about this leverage thing. It's great. I can put $100. I can put $100 on there and go 100x. Oh, it's great. They don't understand what they're even fucking doing. These exchanges are literally giving you money to trade with. Do you think they want you to win your trades? No, they don't. They don't want you to win your trades. They want to liquidate your account. They're trading against you. If you don't think that these exchanges are literally, especially these crypto exchanges, if you do not think they are trading against people using their platform, you got another thing coming, son. This shit is not regulated. They're doing anything you possibly think could be illegal. They're doing it. Same with the NFT space. Scammers everywhere. People are like, oh, but they were such nice people. Yeah, that's what scammers. That's why they're scammers, right? Oh, of course they're nice. Of course this exchange is going to give you some leverage. Guys, my God, this world's gone to shit, man. There are so many people out there with no brain cells. Here's what it is. I told MJ the other day, there might be a lot of people that are book smart, a lot of people that are really good at repeating shit that they've been taught, just a bunch of little smart parrots. Well, I read this in a book, so blah, 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 blah. I can parrot this shit. But when it comes to street smarts and having common sense, the world is fucked. The world is fucked. Common sense is not common at all. That's why people in the NFT space are getting freaking scammed. That's why these unsuspected, new, most of them young traders, cryptocurrency is literally their first experience with trading. And they're being on ramped onto leveraged exchanges by these dickhead YouTube jimmies. This is Bilbo's Friday rant against these dumb fucks. This is definitely not office friendly or for your kids. I got the sailor mouth out today. But it's ridiculous, you guys and gals. They literally, you talk about scammers, these influencers, these YouTube guys that are just making these fucking their thumbnails just to get clicks. Weren't they all just bullish again? And now look what Bitcoin's doing, man. You think these people would the people that follow these people would realize, hey, they don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're selling programs. They're just trying to get clicks to get paid by YouTube. It's a joke, you guys. You're being scammed big time, and you don't even realize it. And then you got YouTube channels like Alpha Trading. They're literally out here telling the truth about the markets, how these algorithms that move the markets are trading. Dude, we get like 25 views on a video. It cracks us up, to be honest. That tells you how much there's literally no common sense these days. You got a bunch of sheep following each other around. They would rather watch YouTube Jimmy that's blowing smoke up their ass. YouTube Jimmy says, hey, market's going nuts. We're going to the top side. They're all going to get in longs. You know, most of them don't even know how to read the traditional TA that they do got to begin with. And they're all lagging indicators. Our indicators don't lag. They're all built on the returns, right? Returns are going to make the move first. Price action follows returns. That's why the divergence between returns and price action is the only divergence that matters. And now Bitcoin just closed the 15-minute candle below the 2SD. In my opinion, look out below, right? Look out below. This thing's probably going to flush another $500 real fast. Let's see what happens. It might pull up here, and let's see how it reacts on this 2SD. I'm telling you, if it rejects right here, by the end of the day, you could see BTC's data set down here at the weekly. It might go outside the S4. But just from a historical value, things I've looked at in the past, probably get a wick down into it and close the daily candle above this area. So let's see what happens. But since I started this stream, everything that I said was going to happen has happened. It's just when you understand how to read these, really read charts. Not how YouTube Jimmy tells you how to read charts, right? Or tells you where to put your support and resistance lines or where to put your stop losses. It's all a fucking scam. All of it. The entire industry is a freaking scam, man. And people don't realize it. And that's why people like us don't get a lot of traction, because we go against the grain, right? Alpha trading's going against the grain. 99.99% of people on TradingView could give a shit about these indicators, right? They would rather use lagging indicators like stochastics and RSI and MACD and exponential and simple moving averages. Well, YouTube Jimmy said there's no way this 200 MA would break, but holy shit, it did, and now we're screwed. They have no idea where these distribution levels are and what they even mean, and that everything is about probabilities. Everything. That's why some of the best traders that come over into crypto, some of the best traders are former poker players, because they understand the probabilities, right? They understand things of that nature. Where new traders that are coming into this space, you lay this load on them about all the distribution levels of normal and Laplace distribution and daily, weekly, monthly price action volatility ranges. It goes over their head, confuses them, and they go back to watching YouTube Jimmy, which is fine, man. But that as an alpha trader, that just makes us realize, look, there's always going to be a fresh crop of people on the other side of volatility traders' trades. That's the bottom line. That is definitely the bottom line. Like there was a guy in another Discord saying that one guy's like, I don't understand this sentence. When I start talking about returns and shit, people just lose their shit. Like, you are confusing me. But they were talking about something with NFTs. I was just like, professionals invest and trade. Degens gamble and get involved in every shit coin and NFT that drops. Crypto is mostly the younger generation. Their first experience in investing in this space is ruining them. But then he went off to say, he said, this isn't correct. Winning is not measured in daily returns. 90% of projects will go to zero over the next 5 years. And I was like, wrong. Returns are all that matters, and the returns in professional trading are on the 15-minute time frame and lower, where all the algorithms are trading that make up 90% of liquidity in every market. Then he's like, okay, let me rephrase. Winning, like saying P&L, is not measured by short-term returns. Can we even be in more of a clown world when you got people that literally say this kind of shit? And then what did I forget? Oh yeah, I was like, go look at the FTX leaderboard for profit and loss over the last 30-day period. I was like, I haven't actively traded for over 6 weeks now, and I'm still number 90. I'm usually in the top 20 when I'm actively trading. All from returns on the 5-minute charts, sometimes the 1 minute. It's it's just Pete. This is what we're dealing with out there, man. This is what people think. Why? Why would somebody say something like that? Because this guy's talking about returns. He doesn't even know what the fucking returns are, probably. That's what's horrible, and that's what I'm out there trying to do, trying to get these people to understand. It's like, you guys, you are being scammed, heavily scammed. A lot of them don't realize it. Okay. You know what, though? I'm done ranting. So anyway, where were we? Bitcoin is testing the bottom side of this 2SD right now. Let's see what happens.